Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Zebzon. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn that how to wrap text in Excel columns. You can see sometimes there is a different picture is shown in the Excel sheet. Just like I have write a single line on a simple one in one cell. But when I write a single line in one cell, this text is only present in one cell, but it covers the different columns, different lines and different columns on it. You can see just like for if I push this cell and drag to it, then you can see this text is present in one cell. But when we see on this page, then this appears on different columns, and this covers the different columns. So wrapping text allows all the text in a cell to be displayed on multiple lines, make it easier to read and manage. How to resolve this problem? It has a simple mechanism. First mechanism is click on the home icon, and you can see there is an option wrap text. Just click on it, wrap text, and you can see that the all text converts into one cell. Okay, and the second option you can also use, that is, for example, you can see this is the format. Click on it, format cell, and format cells, this option. When we see, there is a different option, number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection. I will click on the alignment. On the alignment, different options are present here. Horizontal, where we want to text alignment horizontal. This is the general, left, center, right, where we want. On the vertical side, where we want center, on the bottom, and justify it. Okay. In text control, we want to wrap text. Here is also different options. We want to shrink to fit on the just the fixed size of the cell. Then all the text converts into the same fixed size of the cell. Wrap text means wrap up into the text, wrap the text into one cell, but the cell size will be increased. Okay, and the merge cells mean the different cells that is present and that covers by text lines. So then all the cells will be merged. So different options are present in it. We will only click on the wrap text and OK. Then you can see this will also going and converts into the one cell. And we can see this option, format option, have the different types of alignments, and we want to, it's just like we want to center on it, and OK. And this is on the vertical side. If we will click on the horizontal side to convert into the center, and OK, then you can see this this text in a cell present into the center of the cell. So this format side have different options. We can convert all the text in our desire, in my desire, and in your desire. Okay, I think this video is very informative for you. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please click share and subscribe, and also don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.